The funniest thing happened today in Wawa today, because I had to pick up gas and I got a snack. Did I get a snack from there? Yeah, I did. Before I went down to the Playhouse tonight, which would have been August 17th. It is now August 18th because the events roll over into the next morning. I was the cashier. She said to me, and I believe it was a weave. I'm pretty sure it was a weave. Like a wavy hair weave. And so she's ringing up my stuff, and she says, and she looks at me and she's like, is that low? Is that high maintenance? And I'm like, and then she went like this, and I'm like, not at all. I said, not at all. And then she said, and she just kept looking at my head. And I said, I wash it like twice a week in the shower. And she said, but does it take a lot, like, to edge up? Y'all look. I think she's contemplating on cutting her hair, because that's what it was. Because she was really just like looking at me. But she said, is it like high maintenance, edging it up? I don't edge up. This is my natural hairline. When you go to barbershops, they be trying to edge up. And I would tell them, don't edge me up. Don't cut my hair like I'm a dude. Like, don't do all the edges and how you see the sharp marks. And I'd be like, no, just leave my hairline like it is. And I said, no. I said, I bought a pair of clippers from Target for $25. And I just zip, zip, zip. It takes me like 15 minutes or less, and I'm done. And I wash it in the shower twice a week. And she said, so when you sleep, like, do you wrap it up? I was like, no. She said, you don't put a bonnet on? I'm like, no. And she's looking at me, and I went like this. I said, what's going to happen? I said, what's going to happen to it? And then I started laughing, and she was just like... So that was funny to me. Because I'm like, I said, what's going to happen? Because she was like, so you don't put a bonnet on? I said, no. She said, you just sleep with it like it? I said, yeah. I went like this. What's going to happen? And I just kept laughing my way out the store, and she was just watching me walk out the store, because I'm just like, what? I said, this is all it's going to do. What's going to happen? It ain't. So I just wanted to share that story because I thought it was funny. Because for real though, what it's going to do? Some days I come on here and I'm like, did I even brush my hair? Like when I cut it for that first week, sometimes I forget to brush it. And when I brush it, it doesn't look any different. Okay, watch. Where's my brush? I'm going to show you. When it gets to like 2 weeks, that's when I'm really brushing. And so it will come down. Here's some ASMR for you. But like, look up here. This don't look any different than me doing this. It don't look any different. But when after like the first week, like going into the second week, I can see the difference. And it doesn't matter. Like if I brush up, you can see it come up. And you can see it come down. You can see it if I brush back. And you can tell if I do this, because you see the grade coming this way. But I just do the sides like this. And I do this way. Now if I did the front forward, it would just make this part look different. But going back, it just... But when you're outside, whether it rains, whether the wind blows, whether it's windy, it ain't gonna move. It only moves with the brush. And you see how I have how these hairs go in different places? Like I can kind of make them go one way, but I don't care enough to. You see what I'm saying? This little cluster right here. This right here, you see this? So I just brush it back and just let it do what it do. But I'm just like, what? I said, what is it going to do? I'm like, it I thought that was so funny. But this is the most low maintenance, other than braids, because that was low maintenance too. I didn't even wear a bonnet with braids. I would just put it into, I would do a French braid and just lay down and go to sleep. And sometimes I didn't even do that. I would just like push it all on one side and lay on this side. If I turn over, put it all over here, do that. I didn't even sleep with a scarf or a bonnet on when I had braids. But yeah, y'all, people be loving my hairs though. And I be telling people, if you want to do it, just do it. I wish I had done it sooner. I really do. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because that made me laugh. Do I need to wrap it up? I'm thinking, wrap up what? I can't even pinch it. What am I? I can't even, look at this. I cannot even pinch my hair. But she was really just like, so what do you do? Like, do you wrap it up? I'm like, no. She said, do you put a bonnet on? Look, it's not pinching. I was like, no, I just go to sleep. And she was just like staring at my hair like... Yo, I was rolling. I walked out the store cracking up. I'm like, what I said, what is it going to do? It don't do nothing. I do think it might be not only because it's so short, but also the texture of my hair. Because there are some people with short hair where they have a curly texture, and so you can see like the curls or, you know, the coils. But keeping it this short though, and I didn't really have kinky hair anyway, but and those who do, I think that's cute too when they have a short haircut and they just have all these little tight coils and curls. I'm just like, that is so pretty. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. Thank you for being here. Short video for once. I will see y'all soon. Let me know what you like about your hair. And is your style high maintenance, low maintenance? And do you enjoy it? Because some people, they're like, oh, it takes me like 2 hours to wash, dry, style, leave-in conditioners, all of that. But they love the outcome. And so they, you know, they go have it done professionally, you know, once a week, twice, and, you know, every 2 months. No, let me, girl, get it the troll. You need to go to sleep. They might go get it done once a week. Some people get their hair done twice a week, so that way they don't have to do it. They just wrap it up and just wear it, and then like 3 days later, go get it done again, wrap it up, go back another 2 or 3 days, get it done. If you got money for it, y'all, whew, because I knew people who did that, and I'm like, damn, that's like $140 every week for your hair. But let me know about your hair process. Like, do you have something that's low maintenance? Is this not necessarily meaning this short, but do you have a style where you can just get up, comb it, and go? Get up, brush it, and go. I know people that have long curly hair and it's just poof, but it's curly and it has a form and they just get up and go. And I'm just like, I love it because it's just rock. Just like with the Crazy Troll Nation, just rock whatever you got. Your natural features, your natural hair, and just go and just know that you're the bomb. But let me know about your hair, how you take care of it. Do you like it? Even if your style is high maintenance, do you enjoy it? Because for some people, it's self-care. This is just for me. I'm going to do this for 2 hours or whatever. And other people are like, girl, give me them protective styles, and I'll just put a bonding on when I go to sleep. So that's the topic. Not the topic. That's the question. Thank you for being here. I am yelling. I am so hyper, and I'm exhausted at the same time. My brain doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know whether to keep talking or to just shut off. But we're gonna do something. Thank you for being here. Let me know. Let me know the answer to those questions. Yeah, something will pop up for you to watch. As always, self-acceptance, self-love. That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. You will see me soon.